Hi, this is Catherine. Here with another tip for you for flourishing your career. In today's tip, what I'd like to talk about is the importance of career maintenance. So you maintain your car by taking it to get serviced every year. You go to the dentist. You go to the doctor to ensure that your health is well maintained. Well, careers are exactly the same. Engaging in a process of deliberate career maintenance will support your career to stay healthy and for you to achieve in your career what it is that you want to achieve. So when people don't engage in career maintenance, what tends to happen is that they get to a time where they have to make career decisions, but they're making them in a context of things not being right. So they're making reactive decisions. With career maintenance, you get to make the smaller proactive decisions so that you don't have to make those bigger reactive decisions. My recommendation is that people engage in career maintenance twice a year. So just twice a year, put aside a couple of hours to be proactive about your career and to work on rather than just working away in your career. So I recommend that people put into their diary 2 dates, those 2 dates being the 1st of February and the 1st of August. And those are the days that you do what you need to do in service of your career. And the things that I suggest that you consider is you actually consider 4 areas. You take time out. So first you take time out to know more about yourself. What are your values? What are your aspirations? What are your strengths? What are your skills? Really develop a deeper knowledge of who you are in your career. Secondly, take some time out to know what's occurring in the environment around your career. To pop your head up from the work that you're doing in your career to see what's changed around you. Who are the movers and shakers? What's emerging technology? What kind of social or political will is there for the environment that's around your career? So with those 2 pieces of core knowledge behind you, the third thing to do in your career maintenance is to make some decisions. And as I said earlier, make those small decisions. Learn about something new that might be emerging. Reach out and catch up with some people. Have sort of be a little bit more active in your professional association. Just do small things that will actually keep your career moving along. And then finally, take action. Put together an action plan for yourself for the next 6 months between, say, the 1st of February and the 1st of August. And take those actions. Just step by step, little by little, build a career in which you are flourishing. So, thanks for listening. Bye.